The HP E45c G5 DQHD curved monitor is an impressive piece of hardware, boasting a stunning display and a host of features that make it an ideal choice for professionals and enthusiasts alike. With a bright panel offering full sRGB color coverage, this monitor delivers exceptional visual quality, ensuring that your images and videos pop with vibrant and accurate colors. But what really sets this monitor apart is its connectivity options. For starters, you get not one but two USB-C ports, each capable of providing a whopping 100 W of power delivery. This means you can easily connect and charge your laptop or other devices directly through the monitor, streamlining your setup and reducing cable clutter. And if that wasn't enough, there's also a handy USB-A hub, giving you even more flexibility for connecting peripherals. Gamers and content creators will appreciate the high refresh rate of 165 Hz, ensuring smooth and responsive visuals, while the curved design draws you into the action, providing an immersive experience. Navigating the monitor's settings is a breeze thanks to the intuitive mini joystick controller, which is far more convenient than the traditional button layout found on most monitors. But HP hasn't stopped there. They've also included unique software features, such as KVM functionality, which allows you to control multiple connected devices with a single keyboard and mouse. This is incredibly useful if you frequently switch between different computers or need to manage multiple systems simultaneously. Overall, the HP E45c G5 DQHD curved monitor is a feature-rich and high-performance solution that ticks all the boxes for a premium display. Whether you're a creative professional, a gamer, or simply someone who demands the best, this monitor is sure to enhance your workstation and provide an exceptional visual experience.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.